Here we go. Allez means go in French. Hill climb. S-bend hill climb. Never knew anything like this existed in Louisiana. Ooh, look at that. That'll be a cool. That might be a thumbnail there. Woo. That was pretty. How you doing? Good. Be able to catch Jake soon. Maybe we're hauling ass, but so is he. There he is. Found you. Found Jake. He's still smoking me. Come on. Yeah. done 8 miles so far, Jake and I, and I'm at 65% battery, just to give you all an idea. Started at 100. This is like a 10 mile or a 12 mile loop, I think. It's a lot of trails, man. It's awesome. Really impressive. I can't wait to get a full suspension bike and do some pedaling out here, or a hardtail. Let me know if you think I should get a hardtail with like 6 inches of travel on the front, or get a full suspension Yeti or something like that. And if I do that, I'm getting a used one for sure. I'm not spending no $8,000 on a bicycle. We're about 8.5 miles, or 8.2 roughly. Ooh, this is pretty right here. Might have to make 2 YouTube videos out of the ride with Jake. Beautiful out. Perfect fall day. It's like 70 degrees, 65, 60. I don't know. It's cold. It's not cold for him, but it's cold for me. I'm actually pretty hot right now. It actually is a workout on this thing. It's just a different type of workout. Still feeling it. Not nothing like that though. Rear brake is really squeaking, so I'll have to check them pads. I do use them a lot, so they might need replaced soon. I don't know. They've got, the bike has, try not to hit a tree, 571 miles on the bike so far. So 571 miles on those brake pads.
Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, we all know that it's the only way to really say what we're gonna say. If we rise up and try to make it right, righteousness is not a fight. They all thought that we would never learn. Consciousness will never burn. If we rise up and try to make it right, know yourself and you will see the light. If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach.
Alright, let's play some music.
If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, situations in a hurry, we won't be waiting here in vain for the bus of prosperity. In this world of insanity,
Yeah, it took me way more than I meant to
they all
catch your ass.
thought that we would never learn. We not know we can touch the sun and rise up and make this right. Selfishness will never last, no. If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it,
These trees literally give you
can
like
grab
an inch.
it with your hands.
And a lot of these
Nothing's out of
spots are
reach.